guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I didn't get a lot of things, but I wanted to show you what I did get. So this is in no particular order, so let's start in. I got one of these white styrofoam blocks. I have an idea in mind for this. And then I got some more of these little pumpkin picks, but they're larger than the smaller ones. And then I saw this scatter, foam scatter, and I thought that was really pretty. And they even have the scatter that's the same color as what I bought at Michael's in a big bag, but I found it at my Dollar Tree as well, just to let you know that, okay? And then I thought these were really cute. They have little sticky on the back, and some of them are glittered, and some of them are plain, and some are just painted, okay? And then I found another one of these. I think it's really cute. It's just a little container, and it just has good morning on the front, okay? But I have an idea for that. And then I found some of this orange burlap. Okay, so I got two of those. And I got two of the brown burlap as well. And then I got one of this green. Okay, and then I just picked up some ribbon. I love Dollar Tree's little ribbon, so these had like chevron design, so I picked 3 of those up. And then these little pumpkin clips are adorable. They have them in white or the orange, and they just have little clips on the back, and you get 3 to a pack. So I picked up 2 of the white and 2 of the orange. I just think they're adorable, so I wanted to get those. Dollar Tree is killing it this year. Then I picked up another set of these window clings. I usually put this exact one on my refrigerator every year. But I think I'm going to change it up this year, but I think I might do something else with this if it works out, okay? And then I don't remember seeing these. Maybe they were there last year, but it's just adhesive diamond foil, and this one is in like, the leaves are gold, but this little diamond part is like a rose gold. It's really pretty. And then this is the same adhesive diamond wrap, but this is like acorns. And they're in the gold, but then this is like a bronze. I think it's really pretty. You could do a lot in your planner. Then I found this Happy Harvest. It is so pretty. They have it in red and blue. I just didn't pick up the blue one. But I love a red truck. It reminds me of my dad. But like I said, they also had a blue one. So, and this is metal, this leaf. So I think this is really cute. Then I found this. It's so adorable. This is actually a metal leaf. And it says farm fresh, hand-picked pumpkins daily, 100% organic. I love this. This is so pretty, and it's large. They had another one with like the faux chalkboard background, and it had apples on it. I thought it was really pretty, but I picked this one up. Then I picked up a couple pumpkins. I really loved the shade of this pumpkin. I love the warmer earthy tones. I think they're so pretty, so I picked this one up. And then they had their velvet pumpkins out, so I picked up a brown one and like a whitish one. And they also had, I believe it was blue, but I didn't get that, but I liked these two. I think they will fit nicely in my decor. And then these last little things I think are adorable. This is the little girl, and they're kind of, I don't know what's in them, like, I think it's like batting is down in them, but they're so adorable. I just think she's sweet as she can be. And then I picked this up too. I guess this could be a girl as well. She's so cute because she's got the long hair. And I always have to get a mister. So this is mine. I think he's so cute with his hat. He looks a little sassy, but he's so, so pretty. And I love that print on him with the little leaf on the top. He's just adorable. So these are all my finds that I found. I hope you enjoyed them. And go check out your Dollar Tree because they're putting out new things daily, it seems like. And they have totally blown it out of the water this year. I mean, they've had nice items in the past, but these are really nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.